Question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining point A -2, 2 and point B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Now here point A, you have -2, 2, then point B is 2, 8. Okay. Joining these 2 points, we got here one line segment. Then according to that, this question here, into 4 equal parts. That means we should make 4 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So here first point here we can take point P, coordinates that is x, y. Here point Q, coordinate x, y, then point y, x, y. Okay, now here this is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now here to find the coordinates of the point P, so here one more diagram we'll take here. A, then this point B, 2, 8, then -2, 2. Now here to find the point P coordinates, so here this side is 1, now remaining 1, 2, 3, here is 3. That means from this diagram, we should understood that point P divides a line segment AB in the ratio 1:3. In the ratio 1:3. That means here M1 we should take 1, M2 we should take 3. Okay. Now we know that already the section formula. So now here we will take directly by using section formula. By using section formula, now directly we can take here this number into this side. So 1 into 2, 1 into 2, next 3 into -2, 1 into 2 plus 3 into -2, 3 into -2 whole divided by 1 plus 3, whole divided by 1 plus 3 by using M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 whole divided by M1 plus M2 formula. Now no need to write every time here. So next point, same. Now 1 into 8, 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2, 3 into 2 whole divided by 1 plus 3. Then this is equal to 1 into 2 is 2, then plus into minus, -3 2s are 6, whole divided by 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 1 into 8 is 8, plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 4. So this is equal to 2 minus 6 is -4 divided by 4. Then 8 plus 6 is 12. 8 plus 6 is 14. Sorry. 8 plus 6 that is 14 divided by 4. Then reduce it. 4 you cancel it. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. So this is equal to -1, 7 divided by 2, minus 1 comma 7 divided by 2. That means point P coordinates are minus 1 comma 7 by 2. That is x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 7 by 2. Now here point Q is the midpoint of AB. Point Q is the midpoint of AB. So point Q divides a line segment in the ratio 1:1. That means this side 1 plus 1 is 2, or we can take 2:2. Both are same. Now cancel it. 2 this side 2. That means we will get same. Because Q is the midpoint of a line segment AB. Q is the midpoint of line segment AB. So here we should find the coordinates of point Q, x, y. Point Q divides a line segment in the ratio 1:1. Oh, that is Q is a midpoint. Q is a midpoint of a line segment AB. Q is a midpoint of line segment AB. Then we can use the midpoint formula. So what is that midpoint formula here? This will take first x comma y. Then this is equal to midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. That means here this point will take x1, this one is y1, so this one is x2 and this point is y2. So this is equal to x1 plus x2, so minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. That is 0 by 2. Then 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 by 2. Then this is equal to 0 by any number is 0, comma 2 ones are 2 fives are. So answer is 0, 5. That means coordinates of point Q is 0, 5. So next point we should find the coordinates of point Y. That means here this side 1, 2, 3. That means point Y divides a line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. In the ratio 3:1. So here we take A. This point is B. That is 2, 8. Then this is minus 2, 2. Now point Y coordinates we should find. So here 1, 2, 3. This side 3. This side is 1. That means from this we should understood that point Y divides a line segment in the ratio 3:1. So here this point we should take M1 and this point we should take M2. So here x1, y1, then x2, y2. So by section formula, so we know that what is the section formula? M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 whole divided by M1 plus M2, then M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. Now by using this formula we can do it, or you can take directly here. Now m1 what is here? 3. 3 into this x2. What is x2 here? 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus m2 into x1. m2 is 1. 1 into x1, that is 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 1. Next point is m1 into y2. m1 into y2, that is 3 into 8 plus m2 into y1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1. Then this is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus into minus 1 2s are 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 3 8s are 24 plus 1 into 2 is 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. Then this is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 4. Then 24 plus 2 is 26 by 4. Then reduce it here. 4 get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. That means what is the answer here? 1, 13 divided by 2. That means coordinates of point y, that is x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 13 by 2.